On May 14, 1804, William Clark and 39 members of the Corps of Discovery joined Meriwether Lewis in St. Charles, Missouri, and headed upstream on the Missouri River in a keelboat and 2 smaller boats. They traveled at a rate of 15 miles per day. In 8 hours of driving now, we can cover 440 miles. Incredibly, only 1 man died during the 2-year trip, and that was of appendicitis. 6 months later, they met Sacagawea, and as you've probably learned, she was a very big help on the trail. They finally arrived at the coast in November 1806, 2.5 years after leaving. They saw many new animals and plants and met many tribes of Native Americans. They built Fort Clatsop in an area now called Astoria and stayed for 4 months before returning home. At the fort, they complained about the constant rain. As Lewis and Clark trekked towards the Pacific Ocean, they noticed vast, impenetrable swaths of a particular plant. The Native Americans called it Salal, and they used it in a variety of ways, particularly because of the berries.
I have heretofore taken to be a species of laurel, and mentioned as abounding in this neighborhood, and that the elk fed much on its leaves. It generally rises to the height of 3 feet, but not unusually attains to that of 5 feet. It grows very thick and is from the size of a goose quill to that of a man's thumb, cylindric. The bark of the older or larger part of the stalk is of a reddish-brown color, while that of the younger branches and succulent shoots are red, where most exposed to the sun, and green elsewhere. Meriwether Lewis, February 8, 1806.
Native Americans used salal for food, both fresh and preserved for winter. Medicine in several ways, and a variety of tools were created from the leaves and wood. It was also used as paint for baskets, especially handles, and for the intricate tribal masks.